What if I told you the biggest thing holding you back is you? Not your circumstances, not your past, not your boss, your partner, or your bank account. You. Because deep down, you've been lying to yourself. And those lies, they're the bars of a prison you built with your own two hands. Let's break them down. The first lie you tell yourself, I don't have time. You say it every day. But here's the truth, you have the same 24 hours as everyone else. The difference? You're choosing to waste it. Scrolling, overthinking, waiting for someday. The second lie is, I'm trying. No, you're not. Trying isn't crying about how hard it is. Trying is doing even when it sucks. You're not trying to get fit, you're hitting snooze. You're not trying to save money, you're buying crap online that you don't need. The third lie, it's not my fault. Wrong. Your life is a mirror of your choices. That job you hate, you stayed. That relationship draining you, you tolerate it. Every yes to comfort is a no to growth. Here's the fourth lie. I'll start when I'm ready. You'll never be ready. Ready is a myth sold by people who want you to stay stuck. Success isn't about perfect timing, it's about starting messy and figuring it out as you go. And finally, the fifth lie, I can't change. This is the lie that kills futures. You're not a statue. You're a human being, adaptable, resilient, capable of unlearning the stories that keep you small. But here's the hard part. You cling to these lies because they're safe. They let you off the hook. They let you pretend you're a victim of life instead of the architect. So let me ask you, how much longer will you let these lies steal your potential? How much longer will you trade honesty for excuses? Because here's the truth. Freedom starts the second you call out your own BS. The escape plan isn't pretty. It's not motivational quotes or another self-help hack. It's 3 raw, unflinching steps that force you to stare your lies in the face and starve them to death. Step 1. Catch the lie. Next time you say, I can't, take a deep breath. Ask, is this true, or is this fear talking? Step 2. Replace it with a harder truth. I don't have time becomes this isn't a priority. I'm trying becomes I'm avoiding the work. Step 3. Act like the person you want to be. Liars stay stuck. Warriors do the thing even when the lie screams, you can't. This won't be easy. It'll feel like tearing off a bandage over an open wound. But that's the point. Those lies kept you numb. The truth will set you free, but first, it'll piss you off. So, what's it gonna be? Keep feeding the lies? Or rip off the mask and finally meet the person you're meant to become? The choice is yours, but choose wisely. Your future self is watching. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate a like and subscribe. It will go a long way to help our channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.